What are you taking out?
This.
On today's episode, what are we doing?
Building with Mega Bloks. And this little girl named Sally. Boy named Johnny. Episode of Shawn and Jillian Build. We are going to build an entire playset with Mega Bloks. Look at this, Dad. This is amazing. Oh, we even have a slide. Let's test the slide out. Whee! It works pretty well. How about you? Whee! Looks pretty well. That slide works pretty well. How about a balance beam? Does that work well? Let's see. Hey, I can just start building right now. I'm an expert at building. Uh-oh, this isn't working. Dada, I need your help. Can you help me with this Shawn and Jillian build stuff video? Oh, I almost forgot. We forgot to build a bridge.
What are they jumping into?
Swimming pool.
So we're good with the playground, but we need a school?
Yep. And then we'll be done with this little village. We have a playground and a school in this village. We have a school with no walls. It'll get cold in the winter. You will get cold in the winter.
Now our school has walls?
Yep. Now we just need one more small block right here. Put that right there. Oh, and I almost forgot the flag. You need to put the flag there. Put that right there. Our school looks amazing. We're so happy. Yay! All right. I'll be the boy walking in, and you'll be the girl walking in.
Okay.
Let's get in line.
Do we have to line up to go in school?
Yep. Put that
Does that mean the little boy is the line leader?
Yep. Wow, it looks amazing in here.
So we got a playground.
And a school.
And a school. That's great.
Oh, and we need this.
What's that? Hopscotch?
Yeah, hopscotch. Ta-da!
Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
That's great. Is it a teeter-totter or a seesaw?
I think it's a seesaw.
How do they seesaw?
They go